Just want to start this video off by giving a big shout out to Lewis. Last name begins with an S. Donated to the PayPal. So I just wanted to shout him out because that was pretty cool. Maybe he made some money watching my videos and then he gave me that donation. So thanks, Lewis. I really appreciate it. Now, getting to the good stuff. Crypto, man. Okay, so this was it. Like, I have this watch list right now, and I'm watching. I mean, let me know what other coins you guys are watching. I'm getting, like I said in my videos, and I said even before my Dogecoin video yesterday, like, I'm warming up to it a little bit. And you guys can see this is what I'm watching right now. I'm watching a little bit of a Bitcoin, MicroStrategy. Is my screen doing it here? Yeah, I am. Okay, cool. Bitcoin, MicroStrategy, Dog with Hat, Dogecoin, Bonk, Pepe, Render. And, I was going to the gym last night, and then I was looking at WIF. And I saw that it was looking like really good, because it came back down right here to around like 199. And I was like, dude, I want some of this right now, because I just saw it came back down. I just got a feeling. Your gut isn't always right, but I just got a feeling. And I was trying to transfer money into my Phantom wallet, and my bank kept declining my card. It kept declining my card. So the whole time at the gym, I'm like, oh my God. Like, it felt like I was trying to do rocket science, just getting money into my Phantom wallet to buy WIF. And I was like freaking out because I saw it go up, and I was like, bro, I would have been up 10% already. So eventually I ended up getting, somehow getting money on Coinbase, even though it kept turning down my card. I did some, I got it over from PayPal. I was doing some weird thing, but eventually I got it to go through. And I actually bought Render, which is another crypto coin. So I was able to buy Render. I couldn't get WIF. I would have wanted WIF. So right now I have Dogecoin, which started to break out today. Looks really good. All these coins look really good. Like, honestly, I feel like I don't have enough money in these coins. Dogecoin looks really good. I'm up. I bought Dogecoin like here probably. So I'm up at this point. I don't know. Maybe I'm up like 10% on Dogecoin. Ultimately, I do want more. I have more money clearing today. So I'm going to buy Bonk maybe, or Pepe. Pepe looks awesome. I do have like $1,000 of Render. This one is like a GPU coin. So I do think if, these cryptos start to take off here, I'm really bullish on Render too. Let me know what coins you guys are looking at. Super bullish on all coins right now, but we're going to go over some of the price action for Bitcoin. As you can tell, I'm pretty excited. Today was a good day. Forget about the coins for a sec, just from like a stock trading perspective. Not to I'm going to probably, once I sell the position, I'll come on here and I'll show it and stuff like that. I did put it in the Patreon. The link is in the description. 66 cents a day. And I was walking my dog and I was thinking about it. Like, I was like, bro, like, that's like no, nothing, man. It's nothing because it's $20 a month. And really positive vibes in that Discord today. Nagora, if you're watching this, she was just saying like, she says, thank you. Cannot imagine how benefiting from your tips and mostly following your lead on options and making this little extra money has helped me on the chance of being good. Very good. So with that being said, Bitcoin is looking awesome. It's not over 65. It like kind of got over 65 a little bit. It's not over right now, but from a technical analysis standpoint, it is trying to make a decisive close over 64,500, which is a very big point to close above. I really like the action that Bitcoin did here for the past week or so, really just kind of grinding out below that level, and now it looks like it will close above the end of the day as the session from crypto is going to end in about 30 minutes. I think Bitcoin's looking awesome. I do think that people are underestimating how high Bitcoin can go here if a breakout is real. I am warming up to it. I do let's acknowledge some facts here. Let's acknowledge the fact that it actually hasn't broken out yet, right? Like, that is just a pure fact of life right now. It has not broken out of this technical pattern right here, but it is getting closer and closer and inching up to that key $66,000 resistance. So I'm getting super warm on Bitcoin here. And the Bitcoin log chart is honestly just a thing of beauty. You guys ever look at the Bitcoin log chart? Check this out, man. Just honestly, I'm going to get rid of these trend lines here. You guys don't need to see this right now, but honestly, check that out, man. Just a beautiful looking chart from a log point perspective. So yeah, to me, Bitcoin's looking awesome. It's going to close over that key resistance point, so it's looking really good. And then from a stock trading perspective here, let me just go ahead and put my trend lines back here. Actually, I'll just leave it like that for now. From a stock trading standpoint, MicroStrategy, I was watching this stock for so long, guys. Like, I was stalking this for about a week. And, I was just stalking it here. I really was looking at the breakout here. And once it started to climb above here, I was still watching it, not taking any position yet. I really wanted it to get over 150, 151. And then it actually was able to get above it. And I was actually hoping that this candlestick from yesterday was at 152.50. I was actually kind of hoping it would come down and back test 150, but it gapped today. And as soon as I saw MicroStrategy gapped, I was just like, all right, I'm done. I literally bought calls, like, and this goes against my rules of trading too. That's how you know how dire of a situation this was, because it goes against my rules. First minute, essentially, of the market open, I bought calls. Like, first minute or two. I think it was like the first minute or two I bought calls. So I bought calls on MicroStrategy. Will not be disclosing anything until everything's actually all closed out and we come to an end here. But essentially, I got them like right here. I was really hoping I could have got them cheaper, but it's just the way it goes. And it turned out to be a really good entry on the day as the stock ripped the whole day. So very bullish MicroStrategy so long as Bitcoin continues to make a move here. Very bullish. Not to sound too excited because, like, I know that, shit happens sometimes. Shit happens sometimes just because a stock looks good or something looks good. But I'm pretty confident. I'm warm to it. I'm very warm. Very warm. So, Bitcoin needs to get over 65. Dog with hat looking good. Trying to get that breakout. Dogecoin trying to get that breakout. Bonk. Again, just moving here. It looks good. Pepe looks awesome. And Render is a top pick of mine as well. So I feel like I don't have enough money in these altcoins. By the way, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. I feel like I don't have enough money here, man. Like, I need more money in this stuff right now. That's what I feel like. I'm trying to scavenge any sort of penny or dollar that I have. I just throw it in there. Anything I don't need for bills right now. Just doing this, right? So just taking that risk right now. So my money's going to clear tomorrow. Like I said, I have like 500 Dogecoin. I'll probably buy either Pepe or Bonk with the remaining 500 that's going to clear in one wallet. And then I do have Render on Coinbase. And then actually I bought a little bit of IBIT too. A little bit of IBIT. Not too much, like $200 worth maybe, if that. And then, MicroStrategy. But then in terms of like, I have like some money on the side too that I want to do some swing trading with, for calls on other stocks, but I won't really get into that too much right now. Like, I guess, like, if you made it this far into the video, right? I mean, I guess it wouldn't hurt to put some stocks. Like, Nvidia today failed to break out. I still do think it can possibly break out. Watching the levels here, 130, 135, and 140 on a breakout. Nvidia looks really good. APLD there, data center, really made a strong move. Unfortunately, I did miss a lot of this move, and I was watching the stock here and even putting it in my Discord server even earlier in active opportunities. Talk about APLD in there for quite some time. APLD, I said I can get behind this. They are backed by Nvidia. That's when it was at 626. I did miss the move. It does happen, but I am following the stock, so yeah, I'm just going to be looking to probably do a little bit of day trading on the side as these crypto plays, which are more medium-term focused, start to really unfold here and play out. And then, like, on the side, just getting some, like, day trading in. Not really going to force anything, only if there's a really good opportunity. So that's something that I learned with trading, too. Just be patient, wait for your time. MicroStrategy, I was stalking and being super patient with that for so long, and I had a whole plan mapped out and everything. And then it gapped up today. And once it gapped, I was like, I don't care. I just want in. I literally don't even care if it were to come down from this gap. So I followed my plan. But in terms of, like, just day trading on the side, not going to force anything. Of course, like, don't even have to take a trade like every day or every week or every couple weeks. Just if you see something that looks really good, trust me, it could be really hard to like stand the sides for a little bit and be patient, but it is worth it to just get like a good trade here and there than just kind of like force things. I feel like if you're like on a bit of a losing streak with trading, there's like such this panicked urgency like in your chest, and you just like want to make a trade the next day right away, and it doesn't work. And it's a crash course on that point to zero at that point. So yeah, in terms of like day trading on the side, got some money there on the side, but again, only going to be really trading if I see something really good. Like Shopify, maybe, like that looks okay. I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of trading Shop. I'm probably not going to trade Shop. Shop has not treated me well in my experience is trading Shopify. So only if it's something that looks really good. Tesla was down today too, but I think that one looks good. I don't know. I'm going to maybe try to find something, maybe do some scans on some stocks, but again, not really going to force anything. Just going to be patient and feeling good. Obviously, the vibes are high right now. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. My birthday's on October 7th. I don't think I'm going to get 10,000 subscribers before then. It's probably not unless I just pump out a bunch of GameStop videos, which I don't really want to do. So, yeah. See you guys later.